Hi there. My name is Melanie. I'm 29. I got married recently, and you know what? I would love to get pregnant. We are trying to conceive now since 5 or maybe even already 6 months, and I'm so impatient to finally have a baby and get pregnant. And well, I should get my period tomorrow, but you know how it is. I'm extremely impatient, and a friend of mine told me that there is this online pregnancy test that you can do online. And well, of course, I know it's just to for fun, and it's just to check if I have any pregnancy symptoms, and it's not really as serious as the normal urine pregnancy test. But I cannot do yet pregnancy test because the date of my expected period is tomorrow, and it doesn't make sense to do it today because, well, it might really show that I'm not pregnant, and then I will be very sad. So I just, it's my rule. I promise to myself that I will not do the urine pregnancy test before it really makes sense. So on the date of my expected period. So I have to wait until tomorrow, and in the meantime, let me check this website that a friend of mine showed me. So it was online pregnancy test. It was this one. Online pregnancy test, free pregnancy test. Exactly, online/pregnancytest.com. It was a very nice one. Yeah, this is the one. Okay, am I pregnant? Well, this is actually a question that I'm asking myself every day. Online pregnancy test. Do you think you might be pregnant? This is actually very, very weird. I feel that actually I might be pregnant. Really, to be honest, there is something a little bit different than normally. I have these very funny feelings, but yeah, I think this test might help me to assess, all that is going on right now in my head. Let me check. Have you had sex within the last 3 months? Well, yes, I did. This is the of course we are trying to conceive, so this is the way of doing. Is your period late? No, it's not. As I said, I should get it only tomorrow. Do you use birth control? No, we don't use birth control because I try to get a baby. If so, what method do you use? No, we don't use birth control. Do you feel sick or nauseous? Yes. And this is actually what is really new, this really crazy feeling. I know myself extremely well, and every time there is something going on in my body, I notice it directly, and I really feel in the morning when I wake up that I don't feel so comfortable, and this is like, this feeling that I feel a little bit sick. It's not that I want to vomit, but I feel a little bit like I don't feel well. And then when I eat something, exactly, this is it. After I eat something, I feel much better. Are you more tired than you? Yes, I am. I could sleep all the time. It's really crazy. And last weekend, I did sleep over entire Saturday, and it's never the case for me. I'm such an active person. So yes, I am. Are you extremely touchy or sensitive? Um, I think I am more touchy and sensitive than normally. Am I extremely? Well, I don't know. Um, I'm also very touchy and sensitive just before my period. So I would say there's nothing extremely on this point. No. What do your breasts feel? Ah, yeah. My breasts feels like they feel bad. they feel they feel definitely sore and heavy. Yeah. Well, they also feel normally a little bit sensitive before the period, but they feel more sore and heavy than normally, definitely. Are your areolas, skin around the nipples, larger and darker than usual? Yes, it is. And this is actually another thing that I've noticed, and it's really strange because it looks like if I got a little like if I got a little pimples, in the areolas, and I think these are actually the Montgomery glands that became larger, and the skin is got slightly darker. So yes. Are you all of a sudden very sensitive to smells? Do you smell things way more than you ever did? Yes, I do. I smell my body lotion so extremely that I cannot use it anymore. It's really disturbing me, and it makes me feel sick actually. And also when I had a walk with my husband like 2 or 3 days ago, and there was this funny smell on the street, and I felt I felt really bad. I felt really sick when I smelled it, and he was really thinking that I'm overreacting, that it's not so bad, but it was also like in my head, there is something going on. So yes. Have you experienced abnormal bleeding? No. No abnormal bleeding since last period. Okay, no. No. Have you had heavier vaginal discharge than usual, but no burning or itchy discharge? No, nothing. I think it's completely normal. Have you noticed that when brushing your teeth, your gums bleed more than they are? My gums bleed more than usual, but what it does have to do with the pregnancy? I even thought that I have to do this control with my dentist. It has something to do with the pregnancy? Okay. Um, Let me check. Bleeding gums. Early pregnancy symptom. Okay. Nosebleeds and bleeding gums because of your increased blood volume. About 30% more blood gets pumped around your body during pregnancy, and the effect of pregnancy hormones on your connective tissues and mucous membranes. It's extremely common to suffer nosebleeds and bleeding gums during pregnancy. Okay. I Okay, this was, like smells, being sick in the morning. These are all well-known pregnancy symptoms, but this one, really, to be honest, I've never heard about this. Okay, so that's really crazy. It's wow. I have really loads of pregnancy signs. Do you have a runny nose? Well, I do have, but I am. I have a little cold. So no, I don't have a runny nose without having a cold. But again, runny nose and pregnancy symptom? Runny nose. It may occur that A runny or stuffy nose could be connected with being pregnant, but many women experience cold or flu-like symptoms in early. Okay. Okay, cold or flu-like symptoms. This is what I have, but well, I don't know. I thought I have just a virus actually. Oh wow, it makes me really feel now. Hmm. Okay, what should I respond here then? I have a. Okay. No, I don't have a runny nose because I don't have. I think I have a cold though. But it's really interesting. Do you have to urinate more frequently than you usually do? No. No, I didn't. I haven't noticed it. Do you have frequent headaches? Yes, I do. But I have usually frequent headaches also before my period. But well, I do, yes. Oh no, what happened? Okay, yes. Oh, good that I didn't have to start over. Very good. Do you have do you experience dizziness? Yes, but yeah, it is as I said, I feel extremely tired and yeah, a little bit dizzy in especially also in the mornings. Like weak or something. So yes. Is your face glowing? This is a funny question because everybody's saying to me, "Wow, you look so great," and I feel so crap. Yes. Do you feel bloated and experience cramping like you do during your period, but without bleeding? Um. Well, yes, I do, but yeah, I might be just before my period, so it might be both, right? I can imagine. But I do feel bloated and I have some cramps. Do you have pain in your lower back? Yes, but this is also typical before my period. Do you have troubles? No, I don't have trouble sleeping. I sleep like a baby. Do you draw more than usually do in your sleep? Well, this is again something unusual. I've never connected drooling with early pregnancy symptom. Drooling. Here it is. Some women find excessive salivation during pregnancy makes morning sickness and nausea more unpleasant. Okay, interesting. But no, I haven't noticed it. Is your vulva swollen? Oh, I feel uncomfortable, but it is. Yeah, it's one of the things that make me think that there is something, really something different than normally that's going on. Something completely, yeah, unknown for me. Are the small radically arranged openings neural swollen? Yes, they are, and this is. I think there was a similar question just before, and it looks like little pimples. Yes. How old are you? I'm 29, so well here. Melanie and my email. Chances are high that you are pregnant, you see? So, to make completely sure, purchase a pregnancy test online or at a pharmacy and or see your gynecologist. Wow, this was, somehow my feeling that there are some chances that I might be pregnant. Wow, I feel so so yeah, excited. Um, yeah, it makes me even more nervous right now. You know, when I went through this and I saw that I have so many symptoms, even the symptoms that I didn't know that they were symptoms. And yeah, you know, I think I really might be pregnant. It's incredible, but yeah. Anyway, yeah, I should not, focus too much. It's not easy to say, but or rather, it's easy to say, but it's not easy to do. And just wait now patiently until tomorrow and do the standard pregnancy test. I do normally always the clear blue. Yeah, yeah, and yeah, and so girls, fingers crossed, and I really hope it's, you know, I am pregnant. I really hope for it. So really fingers crossed, and I hope I will be able to let you know about it. Hi there, here's Melanie again. Guys, it's incredible. The day after I turned my last video, I did a pregnancy test, and here is the result. You see? You see this second line? It's weak though, but well, it is there, so it means that I'm pregnant. So I'm really so extremely happy. You cannot even imagine how happy I am. I am finally pregnant. Wow, really wow. So I just wanted to share it with you because, it's just so good to it's always good to share when you feel impatient and when you feel nervous, but it's also so nice to share these moments of joy. So thank you again for listening and for, yeah, for all your support.